Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry, and in today's video I am going to be doing an unboxing of an item that I picked up over a week and a half ago. I picked this item up at the Louis Vuitton boutique here in my local city, and I got it because it was available in the store. So I went to the store with my daughter. I did post a picture of when we were out shopping, and I just so happened to ask them if they had this item in the store, and surprisingly they did. It is supposedly a discontinued item, but I am still seeing these items pop up on different people's videos, and so I have my item right here in this bag. And they gave me a bunch of these catalogs. So, you know, I got one of these in the mail already, and I actually got like 3 more. Not sure what I'm going to do with them. The item is right here, and it's gift wrapped. So this is the first time I'm actually seeing this item since I purchased it, because I bought it, and then I think like the next day or 2 days later I ended up traveling out of town. As you all know, I did finally have my graduation ceremony last week. Sherry!
Sherry! Scream loud!
Mama, I'm so proud of you!
When I went to Shreveport with my husband. So it's so pretty. I'm going to slide the ribbon off, and it's a red ribbon. I'm so happy about that red ribbon because I did want something with the Christmas, with the red ribbon color. So let me slide this off. And I like that the Louis Vuitton bag, I just noticed this actually has red on the bag instead of the traditional blue that it comes with. So I like that. Here's the item here. Alright. And I'm sure you all can probably guess what it is if I said it's a discontinued item. This bag. Here we are. Ta-da! I have another Toiletry 19. And you probably wonder why I got this. It was available, and I do think that the Toiletry 19 pouches are pretty good to have in your collection. I do like using these, especially when I travel. And as I stated before, I do sometimes give these away as gifts to my really good friends. So I do tend to pick them up whenever I can find them in the store. So I'm not going to go into any real detail about this item. This item has been widely shown in all types of videos. I don't actually see the little cards that come in this item, which is interesting. This is a made in Spain piece. I think this is my first made in Spain piece. The other ones I have are actually made in France. Not that that matters to me at all, but it was just interesting to note that this is made in Spain. Let me see if it has a date code in it, because I know this was discontinued, but let's see if this is one of the batches that doesn't have a date code. And you know what, you guys? I don't see a date code in here anywhere. So we know that this was manufactured in... Oh, wait. There is a date code. So this was manufactured in 2021 in the 27th week of 2021. Alright, so here is my quick unboxing. And while I was there, I did ask the young lady about their new release of their perfumes, and she showed me a variety of like 5 different perfumes that Louis Vuitton has released recently. If I can find those on their website, I will display them. She did give me a sample of one because it smelled so good. And this one is called Symphony. Let me get my little card out. I wrote down the name of it on here. I don't know if you can see that. It's called Symphony. It smells really good. But she gave me a sample in this little tube. It's not the little tubes that they normally have. I think my local store, I live in Nashville, my local store never has any samples. They never have any of the good stuff. I usually have to go to Atlanta when I want to get the good items or like get samples, or I have to go to like Vegas or different other stores when I travel to larger cities. And so she gave me this one in this little spray bottle here. And I have to say, this smells amazing. Like, it smells so good. I'm definitely going to be going back to purchase this. What I have noticed is I have not even sprayed this yet, and my whole entire room smells just like this. It has smelled like this since I bought this perfume, and the bag smells like it. I mean, it just smells amazing. I definitely have to say one thing about Louis Vuitton perfumes, that the quality in their perfumes in terms of lasting long, really nice. And so I love that about their perfumes. So I'm willing to pay the price for their perfumes, even though I haven't bought any yet. I had a lot of samples for a while, so I just hadn't had to buy any. Hadn't had to, I guess that's not really a word, but you know what I mean. Okay, so, but I think this one right here would be my first one that I get. I'm really loving this, and I got a sample so I can see how it works with my body chemistry, because as you all know, you buy something in the store and then you get it home and you spray it on your body and you're like, you know what, that's not working with my body. So I wanted to make sure first that this was going to work with my body chemistry and all of that good stuff. But I have to say it works really well, and I'm definitely happy to have this. It smells amazing. So I'm definitely going to go back and smell their other scents that they have, okay? Alright, so in terms of these books, because I do have extra, if you want one of these books, definitely hit me up and I will mail you one of these books. I'm not going to keep all 3 of these. I actually already have one. I think for me 1 is enough, so I don't want the duplicates. But if you're interested in having one of these books, hit me up and I will try to get it out to you. Alright? Okay. So that is my short unboxing of this little cutie. If you have any questions about this piece or anything else in this video about this perfume sample, definitely leave it in the description box. I definitely want to say thank you to all my new subscribers who have joined my page. Thank you to my old subscribers who continue to support me and who comment on these videos. It definitely lets me know that making these videos are worth it and that you all appreciate some of the content that I'm making. Again, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment on my videos, interact with me. I definitely would love to know what you all have been getting yourself for this Christmas season. And I hope you all have a good rest of the day. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.